So this is what we started with, and this is where we are now. It's your girl ZiAsia, and I'm back again with another wig review. Now today I have another curly unit for you. This is the Sensationnel Show Stopper. It's from the Curls, Kinks & Co collection, and I have it in the color T1B Bird. But before we get started with the review, if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, because that's all I do here. You know, I slay and I have a fun time doing it. Here it is, straight out of the pack. It's a little frizzy, but I'm loving this color. It's so bright, it's so vibrant. Oh my gosh, yes. And these curls. I mean, I have to say, I like this curl pattern that I have on a little bit better than this one, but I feel like this is a good alternative. And they both look natural to me. Okay, so as with most Sensationnel units, we have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as the adjustable strap. So they do give you that little bit of lace so you can make it look more natural. Now I'm just going to cut the lace off of this wig and throw it on my head. This color is so bomb. Oh my gosh, it's so bomb. Now this wig unfortunately suffers from the same thing that I had an issue with the rule breaker. It's too much hair. So I'm definitely going to thin this wig out, but I want to give it a different style than a rule breaker. I'm thinking of cutting some bangs. Maybe if I put it to the side. I don't know, y'all. It's looking like it's definitely going to be a challenge. So if you see my last video, then you know what my thinning technique is, which is basically I take this section in this section, and I never cut from it, because that's the section that's on top and that's the section people will see, but everything underneath that is fair game. How much hair I cut from this wig, and that's just about as much as I cut from the rule breaker. So I feel like no matter which of the wigs that you wear from the Sensationnel Curls, Kinks & Co collection, you're gonna have to thin them out a little bit. There's just too much and it does not look natural. But I have to say, I'm loving this style. Like, I love these bangs. You can't even really see the part. So let me show you the back. Now, one thing I did notice about this wig is that this curl pattern is a bit looser than the rule breaker wig. So I kind of had to use a lot of this leave-in conditioner and some water to give it that, you know, because it was like, the curls were like falling a little bit. I'm just going to add this to the list. This is yet another wig that I have been able to finesse and turn bomb. Judging from what we started with, this is definitely an upgrade. But let me know below how you feel about it. If you like that I cut the bangs, or you think maybe it shouldn't be this kind of a wig. But thanks again so much for watching. I told you this is all a part of my summer hair series. I have more wig reviews coming at you next week, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share this video with anyone who you think might enjoy it. Don't be selfish, y'all. But yeah, I'm loving it. Don't forget to let me know how you feel about this look. And I will see you next week.